head from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Zikri Azni 1922-0039 in P1 2019 class. In this session, I will explain about learning media for children aged 5 until 10 years old. Initially, I made it based on the concept of a visual novel game, but after thinking again, it turned out that it was not at all suitable for children. Let's take a look. The first learning media that I made. Yeah, it is too hard for the children from the instruction too. This is the example, but I think it's too hard. Nah, this is the display of the learning media that I made. Too hard because there are so many objects that are difficult for children to understand. For example, like in this slide, we have to guess the puzzle in the text. The puzzle is the sentence with bold and italic forms. Something follow me all the time and copy my moves. I cannot even touch or catch that. The children should guess this is the object can click in the section that is cat, butterflies, and the shadow. I tried to ask my 12-year-old sister, and she found it difficult to answer if not guided by the teacher. Let alone for children. For 12 years it's already difficult. Anyway, this is the right answer. If you're right, you can move into the next slide. But if you're wrong, you will back into the first slide. But yeah, because this is really hard, I think I make it more the children version in here. Wait for a moment. Therefore, I made a simple one in the form of a riddle game where the child had to guess correctly to move on to the next question. Okay. This game is called Put It Game. By taking the concept of learning while playing, this learning media is expected to help children better understand English words. It can also be used to train children's reading and critical thinking skills. I used the M.Pd for make this game. Okay. The advantages of using this media are more interesting because it is presented with colorful display and animation. Different views of each slide make children not easily bored. Feel happy with relaxing music? Trying to answer correctly and easy to make it because we use M.Pd slides. Okay, how to use this media is just to play like the other games. Just follow the instruction. From here, click to play. Okay. This is the instruction. I made it more simple. Let's read the question and let's read the instruction. This game, you have to choose the answer. Game is over. The answer is wrong. You are only allowed to play with mouse or here. You can see in there we cannot use the keyboard. Let's play. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Click this arrow. This is I make it simple. So the answer is set out, but the question is just question, not story. No story in this game because it's hard to children catch that. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you cannot touch me or catch me. Where am I? This riddle is make the children to critical thinking and understanding that the words, the sentence in this riddle. I follow you. Okay, this is the answer is shadow. If the answer is right, you will next into. If the answer is right, you will move into the next slide and next questions. But if the answer is wrong, you'll get this. Sorry, that's not the answer. Try something else. If you want to play again, we'll turn into the third slide in the ready. If you wanna play again, you just click the arrow and it back to number 1, into the shadow. Because I make it, I know all the answer. I know all the answer. Just the right answer. The right answer is 2 in here. It can be a candle or crayons. It can also put animated picture into the slide. Like this. It's more interesting for kids, I think. And the end, 10 or 15 questions, but I just made 5 questions. That is from me, I guess. Sorry for my bad English. Thank you for Miss Anita. I hope you like it. I hope this is learning media is useful to become in the future learning media for children. That is enough from this session. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.